running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I didn't know if I was going to do this video today or not, but it looks like it worked out and we're being able to. And this video right here is one that Karen, one of our viewers, which is actually my sister-in-law, told me about, and she said they really love it at her church. So I thought I would try it out today. And also I'm wearing my kitchen scarf from Myron Diego. I had to look at my note because saying her name, I didn't want to get it wrong. Okay, and so this recipe will be in the description below. And so I'm going to start by putting my dry ingredients in it. And I don't know if I said it's Georgia pecan squares, but that's the name of the recipe. And so I'm going to start by putting 1.5 cups of flour. This is self-rising. And then I'm going to put 2 cups of peanut. I knew I was going to say that. 2 cups of pecans in. Or pecans, whichever. Whichever part of Georgia you're from. Okay, now then I'm putting in a cup of brown sugar and a cup of white sugar. Okay, so I'm going to give this a good stir. I hope everyone is having a good weekend. Really nugget here, but I think these pecan bars will make everything be better. Because I heard they were really good. And it's a real fast and easy recipe. You just pour everything in the bowl and cook it at 350 degrees for, let's see, 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting in my wet ingredients. I'm putting in 4 eggs. I'm going to put in my vanilla flavoring. Stir these up a little bit. You'll certainly be getting your protein in this recipe. Nuts and eggs. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting in my oil. This is a cup of oil. You don't even have to get your mixer out for this one.
Marie, I sure do like the way that's looking.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna make some good pecan squares.
Yeah. We can't turn our air conditioner on when we're filming, so we will be able to turn it on though when we're cooking these. So I usually don't like turning it on when we're filming because it makes too much racket.
Yeah, those are looking real good, Marie.
Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to be putting this in a 9 by 13 pan. And I already sprayed this. You can spray it and put flour on it if you want to. But I just sprayed mine really good. So. If they don't come out good, we'll know why. I skipped a step. Okay. All right. There's just a little bit more in here. Not enough to worry with. Okay. I'll be back in about 30 minutes to do what I like to do best, the taste test.
Chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places.
My Georgia pecan squares just came out of the oven, and the house is hot, really hot right now though. But I think these are going to make up for them. So what I'm going to do now is I'll put some powdered sugar in here and sprinkle this powdered sugar on top. Okay. Now then I've just got to wait for about probably an hour and a half to 2 hours for them to cool off. And that's going to be the hardest part. So, and then I'll come back and cut them and do the taste test. And I turned my oven down to about 325 because this is glass dish. And I said originally I was going to cook it at 350, but anytime that I use a glass dish, I usually go down about 25 degrees. And my oven is the kind of oven that cooks things really hot. And so anyway, these turned out, they really look really good. They're not hard or anything. So like I said, I can't wait to cut them. So be back in a minute. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my Georgia pecan bars have been cooling for about 2 hours. And in this pan right here, I cooked them at 325 for about 25 minutes in my oven. So the recipe says cook it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes, but you know your oven good, and I know my oven good, so it worked for me the way I did it, so y'all just have to figure it out for you. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So, hope they come out good. Well, it almost came out perfect. I know they're going to be good though. I know why everybody at Karen's church really enjoys these and wants her to make them every time. It's kind of hard to talk when you got your mouth full. So I'm gonna get another bite. It's so good.
Marie, get me a piece out there and let me try it.
Well, Calvin, I sure will. Let me turn it around, see if I can get this one right here for you. Now look how perfect that one came out. The first one's always the hardest.
Well, I'll just go over here and eat it without a fork. If I can get into the picture here, I'll scoot down a little bit so you can see me. I'll be outside cutting grass. My goodness, Marie. That is good. I'm not going to talk with my mouth full, but that is good. I like
It's
it.
hard to talk with your mouth full.
Got a lot of pecans in it too.
If you don't like a lot, this had 2 cups in it. You could just put 1 cup in. And if you don't like pecans, you could put walnuts in it. But then it would be Georgia walnut bars, I guess. So, okay, y'all, I'm going to close out this video so I can go ahead and eat the rest of my dessert here. So, y'all do what you love and love what you do. See you on the next video. Bye.
I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.